ネイティブキャンプ体験してみたいと思います。ハロー。
Hello. Today we will have a native camp lesson. I'll introduce myself first. I'm teacher Alech. What is your name?
My name is コージー冨田。
Koji-san, welcome to native camp. I'm happy to see you today.
Thank you.
Koji-san, I have a question. Looking at Koji-san's Twitter, there are lots of pictures with friends. Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Koji-san, thank you for talking with me today. It is almost time for the lesson to begin. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start.
Okay, let's get started. Today's lesson is Travel English. Start. Where are you flying?
London.
Your passport and ticket, please.
Sure, here they are.
That's all for today's lesson. How is it?
It was very fun.
I had fun too. It was nice meeting you, Koji-san.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
いやー、空いてる時間にね、いつでもこうできるっていうのはすごく便利ですね。携帯一つでね。